I'd like to thank our chairman, Scott Trumbull, who retired as president and CEO last year after 11 years with the company. Scott has been instrumental in transforming Franklin Electric from being a motor company to being a world-class pumping systems company. Scott was also the force behind Franklin Electric's Wells for the World Foundation. He saw the real need for clean water, particularly in underdeveloped regions like Africa. So Franklin Wells for the World was founded. It's a company-funded nonprofit, and what we do is we identify villages, and principally in rural Africa, where we can drill a well to provide clean drinking water to that community. Now what we're doing is we're putting in wells that are solar-powered, so there are really no moving parts other than the motor, and we make sure that somebody's checking out that project on a regular basis so that they continue to have drinking water supply in the years to come. In 2014, we installed 5 wells under Franklin's Wells for the World program. And one of those wells we dedicated in the honor of Scott Trumbull for his service to the company. This year, the wells that we installed in rural Africa impacted the lives of approximately 15,000 people. And as of today, we've impacted the lives of approximately 100,000 people in Africa.